Hi friends, it's Becky. I believe that we can all connect to souls. We can connect to our own soul, we connect to each other's soul, we can connect soul to our loved ones in the spirit side of life. I believe that connection is very natural and very much alive within every single one of us. It is the most naturalist thing for us to do is to connect with each other. But what does it mean to connect? And the only way to share that with you is to share how I experience it. And I experience it through my heart. So go ahead and experience it with me. If you could allow yourself this moment, this pause in your day to connect to your heart and to sense into what it means to connect. So breathing in and breathing out through your heart, imagining all your awareness falling out of your head, out of your mind, and down into your heart as if you could inhale and exhale through your heart. Breathing in and breathing out through your heart. And moving into the experience of your heart. Moving into, as you breathe in and out through your heart, that aliveness of experience that's right here in your heart. It's the experience before thought. Just be in the experience of your heart right now. And allow for one person to come to your awareness. Whether this person is in the physical side of life or in the spirit side of life, allow for your heart to present to you a person. Breathing in, breathing out through your heart. And connect into the love that you have for this person. Might be somebody you know really well. Might be somebody who you don't know at all. Just breathe in and out through your heart. And sense into that loving bond, that loving connection you have with this person. Breathing in, breathing out. Sensing into this bond, this love, this connection. And go ahead and place your hand upon your heart, acknowledging your efforts to connect into the essence of connection, the experience of connection. That this is so natural for you to do. It's so natural for you to come from a space of love and for you to be that loving connection with those around you. Thanks for sitting with me today. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care.